Hello, everyone. Welcome to Daily Talking.
Hi, listeners.
I'm David.
And I'm Olivia.
Today is special.
Very special.
We're going shopping.
At the supermarket.
All role plays today.
Real conversations.
I'm the shop assistant.
I'm the customer.
But first, listeners,
Please subscribe to Daily Talking.
hit that button.
It helps us a lot.
Okay, let's go shopping.
To the supermarket.
Let's begin. Good morning. Welcome to Fresh Market.
Good morning.
Do you need a shopping basket or a trolley?
Our basket, please.
Here you go.
Thank you. Where can I find the bread?
Aisle 3, on your left.
And milk?
Aisle 5, at the back of the store.
Perfect. Thank you.
You're welcome. If you need anything, just ask.
I will. Thanks.
Have a good shop.
Excuse me.
Yes? How can I help?
Are these apples fresh?
Yes, they arrived this morning.
Great. How much are they?
£2.50 per kilogram.
I'll take 1 kilogram, please.
Sure. Let me weigh them for you. That's exactly 1 kilogram. Perfect.
Thank you. Are the strawberries on sale?
Yes, 2 packs for £5.
I'll take 2 packs.
Excellent choice. They're very sweet.
Perfect.
Anything else?
No, that's all for fruit. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hello, this bread smells amazing.
Thank you. We bake it fresh every morning.
What time do you bake it?
6 a.m. Still warm now.
Wonderful. Can I have that white bread, please?
The large one or the small one?
The large one.
Here you go. Anything else?
Do you have croissants?
Yes. Plain or chocolate?
Chocolate. How many are in a pack?
4 croissants per pack.
Perfect. I'll take 1 pack.
Great. Would you like them in a bag?
Yes, please.
Here you are.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Enjoy.
Excuse me, where is the cheese?
Right here. What kind would you like?
What do you recommend?
The cheddar is very popular.
Is it strong?
Medium strength, not too strong.
Perfect. I'll take 1 block.
This one?
Yes. How much is it?
£4.50.
Okay, and I need butter.
Salted or unsalted?
Salted, please.
Here, this is our best brand.
Great. And do you have Greek yogurt?
Yes, here. Natural or with honey?
Natural, please.
This one is very creamy. Very good.
I'll take it. Thank you.
Pleasure. Good morning. What can I get for you?
Hi, I need chicken.
Chicken breast or chicken thighs?
Chicken breast, please. How much per kilogram?
£7.99 per kilogram.
Can I have 500 grams, please?
Of course. Let me prepare that for you. Here you are. 500 grams exactly.
Perfect. Do you have minced beef?
Yes. Lean or regular?
What's the difference?
Lean has less fat. Healthier.
I'll take lean. 400 grams, please.
Coming right up. Here. Anything else?
No, that's all. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Excuse me, where can I find frozen vegetables?
Aisle 8. This section here.
Thank you. What vegetables do you have?
Peas, carrots, broccoli, mixed vegetables.
I'll take the mixed vegetables.
This one? 1 kilogram bag?
Yes, perfect.
Would you like anything else from this section?
Do you have ice cream?
Yes, lots of flavors. Chocolate, vanilla, strawberry.
What's the most popular?
Chocolate. Everyone loves it.
I'll take chocolate, large tub.
Good choice. Here.
Thank you. One more question.
Of course.
Do you have frozen pizza?
Yes, next freezer. Many types.
Perfect. I'll look. Thank you.
No problem.
Hello, I need orange juice.
With pulp or without?
What's pulp?
The small pieces of orange. Some people like it, some don't.
Oh, without pulp, please.
This one. 1 liter or 2 liters?
2 liters.
Here you go.
Thank you. Where is the water?
Sparkling or still?
Still water.
Here. 6-pack or single bottle?
6-pack, please.
This one?
Yes. And do you have tea?
Aisle 7. Hot drink section.
Thank you. And coffee?
Same aisle. Left side.
Perfect. You're very helpful.
That's my job. Happy to help.
Thank you. Excuse me, I can't find the pasta.
Pasta. Let me show you.
Thank you.
Follow me. It's just here. Here we are. Aisle 4.
Oh, so many types.
Yes. Spaghetti, penne, fusilli, macaroni.
What do you recommend for a simple dish?
Spaghetti. Very versatile.
Perfect. I'll take this one.
Good choice.
Do you have pasta sauce nearby?
Yes, right here. Tomato, pesto, carbonara.
I'll take tomato sauce.
This brand is very good. My favorite.
I'll try it. Thank you for your help.
Anytime. Enjoy.
Excuse me, what's on special offer today?
Many things. Let me tell you.
Please.
All breakfast cereals, buy one, get one free.
Great. I need cereal.
And chocolate, 50% off.
Wow. Where's the chocolate?
Aisle 6, big selection.
Perfect. Anything else?
Yes, all cheese, 20% off.
I already got cheese. Lucky me.
Yes, good timing.
Are there offers every day?
Yes, different offers daily. Check the app.
You have an app?
Yes, Fresh Market app. Extra discounts for members.
How do I join?
Free. Download the app, sign up.
I'll do that. Thank you.
You're welcome. Save money.
Definitely.
Next customer, please.
Hello.
Good morning. Did you find everything?
Yes, thank you.
Great. Do you have a loyalty card?
No, I don't.
Would you like one? It's free.
Yes, please.
Just give me your email.
olivia.jones@email.com.
Perfect. You'll get points for this shop.
Wonderful.
Let me scan your items. Apples, strawberries, bread, croissants, cheese, butter, yogurt.
I have a lot.
That's good. Chicken, beef, frozen vegetables, ice cream, pizza.
Hope it fits in my bag.
We have bags if you need.
How much are they?
10 pence each.
I'll take 2.
No problem. Orange juice, water, spaghetti, sauce, cereal, chocolate.
That's everything.
Great. Your total is £67.85.
Can I pay by card?
Of course. Contactless or PIN.
Contactless.
Just tap here. Payment successful. Thank you.
Thank you.
Would you like your receipt?
Yes, please.
Here you go. You saved £8.50 with today's offers.
Excellent.
Have a great day.
You too. Bye.
Goodbye. Next customer, please.
Hello.
Hi. Let me scan your items. This item won't scan.
What's wrong?
The barcode isn't working. What is it?
Tomatoes from the vegetable section.
Ah, did you weigh them?
Weigh them? No.
You need to weigh them first. Get a price sticker.
Oh, I didn't know.
No problem. The scales are near the vegetables.
Should I go back?
Yes, quickly. I'll wait here.
Okay, one moment. Here, I weighed them.
Perfect. Let me scan. There we go. 2 pounds 30 for tomatoes.
Sorry about that.
Don't worry. First time?
Yes, new to this supermarket.
Now you know for next time.
Definitely. Thank you.
Your total is 15 pounds 80.
Card, please.
Done. Have a nice day.
You too.
Good afternoon. How can I help?
Hi, I bought this milk yesterday,
Yes?
but it's expired.
Oh no, I'm sorry. Let me check.
Here's the date.
You're right. It expired 2 days ago.
Can I return it?
Of course. Do you have the receipt?
Yes, here.
Perfect. Would you like a refund or exchange?
Exchange, please. I need milk.
No problem. Let me get you a fresh one.
Thank you.
Here, this one is good until next week.
Much better.
Again, sorry for the inconvenience.
That's okay. Mistakes happen.
Thank you for understanding.
No problem. Have a good day.
You too. That's all for today.
12 supermarket situations.
Entering fruit, bakery, dairy, meat.
Frozen food, drinks, pasta, offers.
Checkout, problems, returns.
Real conversations.
Now you can shop in English.
Please subscribe to Daily Talking.
More videos coming.
Leave a comment.
Tell us, what do you buy at the supermarket?
Thanks for watching.
Goodbye.